Hi, I'm Sir Josiah from the University of Pisa, and this is a lesson for the massive open online course of the Sharing Med project. We will talk today of the life cycle assessment in agriculture, and you can find a longer lesson on this topic in our YouTube channel. Life cycle assessment is a method to estimate the impact of a process or of a product on the environment, and this is made through an inventory of all the products used and all the process entailed and how they can affect various categories of the environment. These categories include indeed the climate change, especially the global warming, the eutrophication, the soil quality, the amount of land uses, the resources depletion, the human toxicity, and so on. With these, we can estimate the impact through of this process or product in various areas of protection, including human or ecosystem health and the depletion of natural resources. The process is usually split in 6 stages throughout the whole value chain, and these include the production of the farm inputs, for example, the production of fertilizer, seed, tractors, and the production of the fuel, the use of these inputs, for example, during the cultivation phase, and the impact created by these inputs, and then after that the product goes out from the farm, it can eventually be transformed, distributed, used, and waste managed. When we compute this for the agriculture, we compute directly the effect of these inputs in the environment. For example, application of fertilizers can produce emission in CO2 or nitrous oxide. All of these are modeled for their potential contribution in each of the categories. For example, CO2 will directly contribute to the global warming, and all of these data are then merged in a single index. For example, for the greenhouse gas emission, which is a very reliable model, we can also find that the land conversion from forest to agriculture and then the cultivation phase are the most important part on the total emission through the value chains. So these parts must be taken carefully into account and improved, especially through the sustainable intensification process, so producing more in less area and hopefully with less inputs. Follow us for more information and follow our social networks to have additional information on these and other topics. Thank you very much and goodbye.